Before I figured out this meal prep trick, I was constantly scrambling to make meals. Between the kids, the errands, and everything else, I felt like I was always cooking or cleaning up. But now, I spend just about 30 minutes prepping and my whole week goes so much easier. So let me show you the ultimate meal prep hack for busy moms. This system is super simple. It's all about setting yourself up with flexible, healthy options so you can throw meals together in minutes. The key to easy meals, the Power Bowl formula. It's just 3 steps. Pick a protein, choose a grain, and add a veggie. Now you can mix and match all week. One day it's a grain bowl or quick tacos or maybe a stir fry. No more cooking from scratch for every single meal. I don't know about you, but mornings for us are crazy, so I always like to keep easy grab-and-go snacks on hand. And these freezer-friendly options are lifesavers. First up, smoothie packs. Pre-portioned fruit, spinach, protein powder in a freezer bag, and then you can simply blend with milk in the morning. The kids' favorites, energy bites. Perfect for an any time of the day snack.
Are they good?
With these in the freezer, my kids always have healthy snacks ready to go. In all honesty, I don't have time for long recipes, so I follow the 5-ingredient rule. Every meal I make has 5 ingredients or less. An example would be sheet pan chicken and veggies or 1-pot pasta. Less ingredients equals less stress. And trust me, it still tastes amazing. And there we go, we did it! With just 30 minutes of prep, I save hours during my week. No more last-minute scrambling, just easy, healthy meals ready to go. If you have tried this system, let us know your favorite meal prep hacks in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tips to make mom life easier.